If you are looking for that perfect pocket knife out there, look at this thing. First off, great gift packaging. If you wanted to, give this as a gift, look at this knife right here. It's made of premium Damascus steel, and just look at the design on here. So YOUSUNLONG, they make amazing knives. This thing is very, very sharp as well, so you got to be very careful with it. I love the grooves on the top, and look at the design on the handle. It is beautiful. So all around an amazing design on that blade. Very, very sharp. And then you just push in this part right here to close it. Now you might be thinking that could be dangerous, but they have this mechanism right there to keep it from folding in on you, so you can move your thumb out of the way when you close it. So even if you did it fast, see, you couldn't do it. So very nice, a good thought out design with that. And it has a belt clip right here, so you can clip it on your belt. Great for fishing, great for camping or hiking or any outdoors activity. And yeah, it just looks really, really nice. Beautiful design, and also, again, a great gift. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.